Hello everyone, this is Shakina. So I'm here to show you how I was able to use this dummy data set that I have to accomplish an instruction that was given, which is to generate to send an email to an employee and also the manager. I can like an employee review system where each employee will be reviewed after six months of their stay in the company. So this is our data. If you if you look at, you'll see that there's managers table. So we have this few information about the managers, and then for the employees we have this informations: the first name, last name, employee, the manager, which is a link field, then the last review date, and then its status, and then review due, manager's email. So for the review due, we used a formula for that, and then for the status, it's just a single line text, and the rest we have an email. We also have a single line text. We have a date field and all of that. So if you look well, you will see that this has been filtered by review date. So I'm going to turn this off. All right, these are the number of employees that I was able to generate and use for the dummy data. So if we look at this, we would notice that some employees review last day review is more than 6 or up to 6 months, whereas some are not. That's why this field here is showing review due for Ashley. Yes, this time to be reviewed, and also for Daniel. Whereas for Michael and Jennifer, it's not yet time for them to be reviewed. So with all of this, we I needed to filter this so that the automation would know who in particular they are sending the emails to. Those that their review date is due, that is saying yes. So that's what we'll be doing here. So for add condition to the filter, and this is it. I'm going to add my condition. Oh, sorry, I've added condition first. Where this will be review due, then here is, and I'll enter a value here which is yes. So then I would apply yes. Sorry, because I've already done the automation, that's why that is popping up. So you see, review due. Yes, this is just like a view for the automation to know who and who is sending the automation email to, or the automated emails to. So this was what I was able to come up with. So for the trigger, I used when record enters view. That is this view we have. That's the review due. That view, once an employee's status, or once an employee is up to 6 months, it will now be added to that view, and then the automated email will be sent automatically to the employee. So all of this configured, and then that's it. If I choose record now, it's showing that it's awesome. So let's move to the next. We're sending email. Sorry, I had to use Gmail because I'm using a free plan, and which is still okay. Then who am I sending this to? as employee email. Was the subject of the email performance review, and then this is the message content that will be sent to the employee. So let's generate a preview. So this is it. This is what it should look like. And then we are also sending an email to the manager for them to be aware that so employee or a particular employee's date to review is due. So this is it, the Gmail, the type of account, then to manager's email, and the subject, this is the subject, and then this is the content of the message to the manager. So now let's review it and see. Beautiful. That's it. Okay. So we also need another action, and the action is to update the record. That is, for those then that will be reviewed, Airtable should be updated in such a way that for that status now, it will be showing that review has already been sent. So for the configuration, we'll be using the employees table also, and then this Airtable record ID. Then for the status now, this field is what I clicked and I chose status. Status should now be review sent. I'm just updating. Once an email is sent to an employee, Airtable should automatically update that particular field to review sent so that the employee will not be sent more than one email. Good. So now let's generate a preview of it. That's wonderful. So that's the first name, the last name, the employee's email, the manager, then the status. We have review sent. That's what will be showing on Airtable. So that is it. Thank you.